Look how cute he is.
He looks dead already.
He's not dead. Don't say that.
Did you see him move?
Yeah, he opens his eyes. He's just really cold. Look, his eyes are open now. It's moving around. It's just freezing. Wait, let me wrap it up nicely. Well, not this far. Look at him. He's okay. Come here, birdie. Look at it. It's so
Is he just
sad.
sitting there?
Yeah, it's like, do what you want. I'm cold. Hi, birdie. Oh, he's so scared. This is like his first human contact. You okay? No, say I'm freaking freezing. Come on. Let's get you over here onto the cheap one. You can have the cheap one, okay? Wrap you up in the cheap one. Okay, birdie? Is it warm? Oh, it's trying to fly. Oh, I'm so sorry. You have too many diseases for me to do. Okay,
That's a nice nest.
right? It should be
Out of the snow, nice and warm behind the trash can. Until trash day.
Stop it. Trying to like tuck the top in. It should be warm. Yeah, but this needs to.
You get some lunch for the kids. Throw it in the trunk of the car. Here, give me. I'll do it. You go get some lunch.